we're back at it for another one. We've got a little time to work with this morning. It's been pretty busy around the cabin, but hopefully with the time I've got, we can make something happen. Conditions are pretty darn good. We've got pretty high humidity. We've got some intermittent clouds, maybe a little sun poking through, but overall, you know, pretty good conditions. With the weather this past week, things have been kind of warming up, so I'm probably going to focus my efforts more on deeper structure and even just deeper water in general. Maybe try some open water stuff that hasn't really been panning out yet for me this season. But anyway, we're going to get after it. Stick with us. Hopefully we can find a few cooperative fish. Eating good. All right. Stay on there, buddy. Let's go. I knew that would work. All right, well, finally the open water program worked as it was supposed to. We got a really nice fish in the bag, just super fat, super thick. They just been chowing bait out here very clearly, but it's on the Dipstick XL. I'll run that down here in just a little bit, but just a really, really cool fish. Really awesome to just be able to get out in the morning and kind of put a plan together and have it all work out. So let's get a look at this guy and get him back. Just an absolute butterball. Oh, he's got kind of a crooked back. It's just a weird musky, but we can get this little guy back. Hopefully get another one. Well, Dipstick XL program continues to just do its thing, so love it. Open water fish, yeah, that's the OG one. Got me a nice pike today. Action's been pretty good today, actually. So got one on the Dipstick XL, and it's always Pandemonium leader, Barbarian Braid. This is 80 pound. The Piscifun Alio's 400, and then as always the trusty dusty Shock and Awe. I mean, it keeps putting fish in the bag, so we're gonna just keep chucking it and keep using it. So yeah, that was just a strange fish. He had kind of a weird crook to his back. I don't know, sometimes they get that way and they're just kind of weird looking, but really beautiful fish. Just came up and smoked it out deep. I knew that with the warmer water and the warmer temps we've had, you know, those fish were going to be pushing out a little bit deeper. The bait was going to be pushing out deeper, especially just like fishing for crappies the last couple of nights. You know, you could tell that those bait fish even were kind of getting pushed or wanting to be a little deeper than they had been. So anyway, use your environment, use the things around you to tell you the story and come up with the plan for the morning. But we're gonna get back after it. Hopefully get a couple more this morning. Stick with us. Got you time. Cleaning 2, might as well clean 3. Shout out Bam Bam and Topline for feeding the fam tonight at Ben Stone. Nice pikes. Oh, so that was pretty cool. Little mid-morning update. We had quite the flurry there with several pikes, nice pikes, and then we got you know, that musky, which was kind of a crooked one, but you know, super cool fish. Happy to have them all. The Dipstick XL has just been crushing today, but yeah. It's been a really good morning, really productive. I've got a little time left to work with, so hopefully we can make something happen yet and maybe get another ski.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Well, as you can see behind me, that's my cue to be done this morning. So, good morning. Ended up with 1 ski. I may have lost another. I don't know. Had a good one on there for a second, but my camera wasn't running, and it doesn't really matter. But everything was on the Dipstick XL this morning. They just wanted it, and had a couple other frustrating follows where on one the bait was fouled, and yeah, the fish was coming up, and I couldn't do anything because the bait was fouled. But those things happen. But you know, Northwood's time is coming to a close quickly. However, we have some time left up here and maybe some time after Canada. So be looking forward to the Canada stuff. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be awesome. Can't wait to get up there and fish with Connor for a while. But hopefully some more Northwood stuff after that. We'll just kind of see. And man, the year is just absolutely flying. But I'm going to quit rambling. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all of you checking it out. Another fun day in the Northwoods. I'm going to get out of here before the storms hit because I got some pike to clean. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.